revisions for your social studies. So I'm sharing the screen with you. So first one is tick the correct answer. I have shared, revised this tick the correct answer all from your lesson. There are few over here. So first one is, which country has the world's largest railway network? Yes, the answer is here. There are four options: India, USA, China, Russia. So correct answer is USA. Yes. Which country has the world's largest railway network? Answer is USA. The judge of Supreme Court are appointed by. The correct answer is President. Yes, the option is Prime Minister, President, Governor, Speaker. So the correct answer will be President. Judge of Supreme Courts are appointed by President. Okay, which of the following cities was destroyed by an atomic bomb? Paris, Hiroshima, Berlin, London. So the correct answer is Hiroshima. Yes. So the Hiroshima cities was destroyed by an atomic bomb. The revolt of 1857 started at. So revolt जो हुआ था 1857 में कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? स्टार्टेड कहाँ पे हुआ था? दिस इज अवार्ड, मीरठ, दिल्ली, इंदौर. So the correct answer is second one, Meerut. Yes, the Meerut is the correct answer. The Indian National Army was led by Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Veer Savarkar, and Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. So the Subhash Chandra Bose, he led the National Army. Okay, so he was the leader of this Indian National Army. State whether the following true or false. So this is tick the correct answer is over. Now this is the second question, that is true or false you have to say. First one, the Grand Trunk Road connect Kabul and New Delhi. So Grand Trunk Road जो है connect Kabul and New Delhi. So this option is wrong. Yes, this sentence is wrong. Actually this is Kolkata and Peshawar, means Pakistan. It should be correct answer, but it is written here Kabul and New Delhi, so it is wrong. Grand Trunk Road connect Kabul and New Delhi, it is wrong answer. So you have to write false. The parliament makes law in our country. So this statement is true. Yes, parliament make the laws in our country. This is true statement. Number 3, the farmers had to pay high taxes to the British. So this statement also correct. Farmers has to pay high taxes to the British. It is correct option. So you have to write true. Modern education in India was introduced by Dutch. So this answer is also wrong. Yes, so the British they have done. So answer is wrong. So you have to write false. There are 540 members in the Lok Sabha. There are 540 members in the Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, it is wrong. Yes, it is a wrong statement. So you have to write false. The correct is 552 members. So here is written 540 members. So this statement is wrong. So you have to write false. Now we'll come to fill in the blanks. I already revised this fill in the blanks. So there are few just here also you will find few. Dash this already the words are given over here. From here you have to choose and you have to put the correct one in the blank. The dash is known as the lower house. So the correct answer will be the Lok Sabha. Yes. So Lok Sabha is also known as the lower house. Dash is an organization that helps in maintaining peace in the world. So the correct answer is United Nations. So United Nations is an organization that helps in maintaining peace in the world. The next is the highest judicial body in the state is. The highest judicial body in the state is High Court. So here you have to choose High Court. Yes, you have to write High Court. The revolt was led by at our is the Begum Hazrat Mahal. So this place is name of the place. So it should be capital. Yes, it is a proper noun, so you have to write capital A. Or one more thing was here in the word, it should be full stop. It's the correct, it's a sentence, so after sentence it has to be full stop. Yes. So here the revolt was led by, this is uh, uh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Yes, the correct answer is Begum Hazrat Mahal. She started at Awad, that place, the revolt. Okay, General Dyer fired at the people gathered at which place it is? Jallianwala Bagh. Yes, Jallianwala Bagh. This will be Jallianwala Bagh. It is actually separate word, Jallianwala Bagh. So the General Dyer fired at the people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. So this is the fill in the blanks is over now. Now we'll come to match the following. Nelson Mandela. Okay. The second one is for Florence Nightingale, Thomas Alva Edison, this side all, and then Enid Blyton, Stephen Hawking, Pele. This side is their inventor of the electric bulb. So let's see inventor of the electric bulb. Okay, first we'll go through this one. Nelson Mandela. Now Nelson Mandela, what he has done, fought against laws that kept white and black people apart. So here the Nelson Mandela correct answer will be number 3. Fought against laws that kept white and black people apart. So the law was that white and black people they were separated. So he fought for that. So for that law he fought. He want to make them together. So that's Nelson Mandela did. Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, who was she? She was a founder of nursing. Okay, so the Florence Nightingale, so नर्सिंग उन्होंने फाउंडर किया, तो उन्होंने स्टैब्लिश किया था, स्टार्ट किया था. तो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल का करेक्ट आंसर होगा नंबर 5, फाउंडर ऑफ नर्सिंग. थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन. थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन, he was he was inventor of the electric light bulb. Thomas Alva Edison, he was the inventor of the electric light bulb. Yes. So who invented the electric light bulb? This is Thomas Alva Edison. Now Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton, who was Enid Blyton was a famous author. Enid Blyton was a famous author. Now number E, this is Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was who? He was a famous scientist. So E will be the number 4 answer, a famous scientist. A famous scientist is who? Stephen Hawking. Last one is Pele. Pele was a famous footballer. So A, correct answer will be number 2, that is famous footballer. So we'll just revise one. Nelson Mandela fought against laws that kept white and black people apart. Florence Nightingale, founder of nursing. Thomas Alva Edison, inventor of the electric light bulb. Enid Blyton, a famous author. Stephen Hawking, a famous scientist. And Pele is a famous footballer. Okay, so this is the match the following. So you must practice. Yeah, you practice, learn first and practice very well. Write at least 5 to 7 times. Okay, we'll move to next one. Write one word answer. Destructive fire in a forest. So your answer will be in one word. What do you call destructive fire in a forest? That is forest fire. Yes, forest fire. Okay. Second one is huge sea waves caused by an underwater earthwork. Okay, caused an underwater what? Earthquake or volcanic eruption. So what will come? That is tsunami. So answer will be tsunami. First one is forest fire, second one is tsunami. Rocks and loose soil sliding down a hill slope. That is what you call landslide. Yes, landslide, because rocks and soil both is coming down. So it is landslide. Okay, funnel shaped storm. Funnel shaped storm, that is what you call, that is tornadoes. Yes, funnel shaped storm. A storm come is funnel shape. Yes, so it is called tornado. Snow and ice sliding down a mountain slope. When snow and ice दोनों slide होता है, that is called avalanche. So first one is destructive fire in a forest fire. Huge sea waves caused by an underwater earthquake and volcanic eruption, tsunami. Rocks and loose soil sliding down a hill slope, that is landslide. Funnel-shaped storm, tornadoes. Snow and ice sliding down a mountain slope, that is avalanche. So that's all today. Thank you, students. So please, whatever questions I have given today, practice, learn by heart, and write at least 5 to 7 times all these questions. So I take care once again. Okay, I'll stop the class over here now.